Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I put together one of the campus tutorials. I'm going to show you how I add the page name, the menu name, the body text, the metadata, I add videos, I add in images, I add in some other features like comments on the page. Generally, what I'm trying to show you in this video is that if you meet a whole series of different benchmarks, when Google comes and indexes your page, it is going to tick a whole lot of boxes. This is ultimately going to help the search ranking, which is going to increase the number of impressions, increase the number of users, and increase the number of conversions that your site makes. The first thing that you're going to need to do is have some content ready to go. I've already written a page, and that page is all about how to prepare new content. So I am going to take this information and I'm going to copy it out of Word and put it into my body of the website. I use a Silver Stripe content management system. Silver Stripe's a New Zealand based company that has a global reach now. My website's built by a company called Toast. They're based out of Takapuna and they do some of my high-end development. Toast also have a streamlined, simplified version of the content management system, which is really easy for you to use, and hopefully you'll be able to see how I add content in this video. Okay, I'm going to do some formatting. I'm going to just add in a H2 tag, and the blue text are my H3 tags. Going to put everything in a nice area. Make sure everything's looking good. I'm going to change some of these down to H4 tags because they're not as important. They are important for you to read, but in terms of what Google's going to see, it doesn't need to know about everything. Okay, clean everything up, and build is going to be an H4, so it's before you build. Okay, so I've got everything in there. I'm going to add in an image. I'm going to put the image right here. So I'm going to click on my little image button. This is called a WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. Pretty standard sort of stuff, and I'll quickly upload the photo. Okay, so I have given the image some alt text and a title text. I'm going to center it on its own, put it there, insert the image. Hey presto, I now have the image. And I'm just going to save this page so that I don't lose it in case my browser crashes. I'm going to grab this text here, and I'm going to go to my metadata. I'm going to put that into the description. I need to add in the name of my page and give it a menu item. And then I'm going to just make sure that that's the title of the page as well, just so that I've got all the affinity about adding new content. You'll see throughout the body text, there's lots of words that say content. I'm going to give the page a priority of 2. I'm going to turn on the videos. I'm going to leave the feature boxes active. These are all tools that the content management system that I have allows for. I'm going to add in a page image. Okay, so continue. And I already know that those settings are correct. I'm going to save so I get these page options up and active. I'm going to go to my videos. I'm going to add one video, and I'm going to put that in here now. So I'm going to adding new content. Copy that, make that the title of the page. I'm going to change it to 360. If it works, 360. I will put the video code in once I've uploaded the video, because the video that you're watching right now is going to be the video. I'm going to save that so that I've got the shell ready to go. Go up into behavior. I'm going to allow comments on this page and just check over everything once more, and I'm going to click save and publish. Okay, then I can click on publish the site. It's going to take me to a new page, and I'm going to be able to see that I've got the page created. Perfect. It's everything that I want it to be. There is an image. There's the video that you can see. It's not showing any graphic because It's just the shell at this point. I've got my comments. If I look at the page source, I'm going to see that I have the title and I have the meta description that I've added in there. So that's how easy it is to create a new page and add it into your content management system. And the elements that we've added in here, well, just one thing in fact, I'll just add one more element, and that is going to be at the bottom where I'm going to add a link in the task. I'm going to say you need to complete the tutorial, so I'm going to add the link, and I'm going to say that it's an on-page SEO tutorial. I'm going to navigate internally within the website where I want to send you. If you click on it, I'm going to go on page, that one there. I'm going to say open it in a new link, insert link, save and publish. I'll just check that published page again, and at the bottom there I have the link, so if I click on it, it's going to open it in a new page and I can see another page that I've created. As I was saying, the elements that we've walked through right now are the elements that you should have and easily be able to access through your own website. If you don't, do give us a call. We'll walk you through what you need. You'll also be able to get this through the Basic Warrant of Fitness. We'll tell you a bit about your website, your content management system, if you can do this stuff. If you can't, big issue, not good. You really need to be able to add new content. The more content you've got, the more Google's going to love you. Nice and simple, quick tutorial. I hope you've learned something. If you want to make a comment, leave it at the bottom of the tutorial page. Facebook, Google+, YouTube, wherever. See you next time.